At SDG, we run every project from start to finish through BricsCAD. One platform, no jumping between programs and no handoffs between software. Most survey firms don't work that way. They bring their raw data into one package, then pretty up the plan in another. We've never done that way. It's too time consuming. There's too much data loss in there that potentially can happen as well. Every project we do, whether it's from a detail survey, the cadastral side of it, all our calculations are done within the package. The staff actually take it the whole way through, and it definitely empowers them. They have some accountability to that. On licensing, it's significantly more cost effective. We're paying around half of what we would with other CAD packages, yet we still get the same outcome. In fact, often better. Our business is heavily reliant on custom LISP routines, about 1,000 of them written in-house by our programmer. Anything repetitive, it comes up into a single command, and the commands just keep building year on year as there's new developments and new ideas. In our industry, there really isn't many firms doing it the way we do.
I use BricsCAD for 2D drafting, 3D modeling and point cloud work. And for me, it's that 3D side and the scanning integration where BricsCAD really earns its place. It's the seamless integration with point clouds, with the Leica ecosystem. Everything's in one place. It's simple and it just works. We slice the point clouds in CloudWorks, bring them into BricsCAD, run a survey fix. From there, we can generate tin surfaces, heat maps, and 3D models. With all the add-ons, it still runs really streamlined. It's quick to start, and there's definitely less crashing on big models from what I've seen compared to other CAD software. The platform keeps evolving. The quad menu with the recent 4 commands next to the cursor, that's really helpful. And copy guided, which remembers what you're trying to do. It's those small innovations that really adds up on complex work. It really handles the messy reality of survey data. I've used other CAD platforms before. When the walls weren't 90 degrees, the model just falls over. And we know, in reality, walls are not 90 degrees, and BricsCAD doesn't fight you on that.
I use BricsCAD every day for detail survey drafting, to work as executed or as-built drawings, strata plans, positive plans, mostly 2D work with some 3D elements. BricsCAD does everything we need. I draft all of my own work. It's a user-friendly workspace. A typical detail survey or a civil worker's job, we're bringing in raw data into BricsCAD as point blocks. Our LISP routines let us draft the line work, insert text, RLs, generate a tin surface if needed, and we're able to build a mesh in the one platform. If multiple sheets exist in the drawing, we're able to plot with one single command. The LISP routines are great. They're working in the background, set up for every user, so that way it doesn't matter who's drafting, who's doing the work, it all looks the same. Over time, anything that's repeatable can be handled by LISP, and that makes it so much faster and efficient for our clients. We're at least 20% quicker because we're doing everything on one platform, and we're not jumping between 2 programs.
We're venturing into new aspects of the business with scanning, 3D modeling, and BricsCAD's growing in that area too, and it'll keep developing. So it gives us confidence in the business as well. And the way we see it, it's definitely going to keep saving us time and saving us money.